Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? She got home cooked meals, turn up the heat. A little bit of dessert, it won't hurt. Let's get the cooking with Nana the expert.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a Picklewich. The ingredients that we're going to need today are dill pickle flavored chips, honey roasted turkey breast. I have 4 pepper turkey breast, or you can use the lunch meat of your choice. I have hot banana pepper rings, mayonnaise, coleslaw, pickles from the deli, sliced cheese, tomato, onion, and shredded iceberg lettuce. Okay guys, you can go ahead and get everything prepared. First thing we're going to do is cut the ends off of our pickles, and we're going to just slice them in half. Next, we're going to take a spoon and we're just going to hollow out the middle of our pickles. Okay guys, this is what the pickles look like hollowed out. So I'm going to take my mayonnaise and just brush it inside of the pickle. I'm going to do that for both sides. Now I'm going to begin to add in my lunch meat. Next, we're going to add our cheese. Now we're going to go back in with another layer of our lunch meat. Now you can add your tomatoes. Then we're going to go in with some shredded lettuce. Okay guys, the first Picklewich is done, which it only has your lunch meat, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and mayonnaise. And now for this one, I'm going to add some coleslaw on top. Also going to add some onion, also some yellow banana peppers. Then we're just going to add the top of the pickle to it. And guys, all you want to do is stick 2 toothpicks in it to keep them together before you cut them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Picklewich, made 2 different ways. I added some pickle flavored potato chips to it also. Guys, you can really make these your own. Anything you would like to add to yours, you can do it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?